Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try solving this cube ball. It's almost solved, but it's a bit hard to solve it. And yeah, let's start solving. And I might solve it or won't, but yeah. Wait. Oh my god, I'm not an actual good solver. It's almost got my first part. Just need to get this. I don't want to cheat. So just gonna see if it's recording. Oh god, almost fell. Is it? Yep, it's recording. So you might not see me. I don't have an actual camera. This is just my iPad. Of course, I'm not an actual dad. And so, okay, I'm almost solved this. That's great. Oh my god. This is not going good. This is so blurry, that was blurry. Wait, I'm not even going into camera. Okay, so if this was blur. Let's look so. I don't know which color it's gonna be in. And at school, it's Beckle Primary. If you want to see what school it is. And I'm in year 1. And I'm supposed, and I have a kid called Nathan. He throws a different, almost a Rubik's. Okay, that's my dog. She dares sit on my remote. Okay, I'm sorry guys, and he has a different one of Rubik's cubes. And you might not see it if you watch this video. And I keep forgetting because I need to actually see it and concentrate. It's gonna be hard. Yeah. Oh god, guys, it's gonna be the orange area. I don't know if I'm correct. So not solve it. Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Great. That for the grain. This is for the grain. Is that a lot? Stop. Oh, great. Why did you do? My sister is so annoying. She just did a heart in front of video, which is actually not good. Oh yeah. I'm actually going to concentrate. Okay, I might do a part 2. Yeah, so it's solved. Okay, ready?